Hi, and welcome to Easy Peasy Tutorials for CIS 1323. I'm your tutor, and I will be guiding you through some of the lessons of AXIS 2019. This lesson is all about calculated field. As the name suggests, this field has data that is calculated with the help of some expression. So an expression is like a formula. For example, your total bill is the addition of your product cost and taxes. In AXIS, our expressions would refer to fields or functions or mathematical operators or even constants. So let me show you what these are and how these expressions are written. I will be using Let Me Try Live file, which you can download by clicking here, and let's use services by location query for our practice. Let's open this in the design view, and we are going to add a new field, which you could add from here, and this field will be our calculated field. So you have to use expression builder, which is an easy way to actually write your calculated expression. Okay, so where you find this builder is in the design tab, and in the query setup group you will find the builder button here. So when you click it, the expression builder wizard opens up. So as you can see here, these are the fields that are available for your calculated field, right? Now, as I said, your expression could use fields, which are these, or functions. If you expand these, you would have some built-in functions like array, database, date and time, financial functions, and you can choose from these. Or you could use operators, which are basically used for calculations. So there are categories. Arithmetic is minus, multiply, divide, add. Then you have comparison operators, which are greater than, less than, and so on. Then you have logical operators and also string operator. So you could use all these. And there are constants. So constants could be your letters or alphabets, which you would use as is, or digits, which you would multiply or add with some field value. You can use all of them in your expression. So your expression kind of looks like a combination of all of these with operators between them. Okay, so now let's say we have to add a calculated field which shows suggested tip for our services. So by using the expression builder, we can create our expression here. Now I would say that a suggested tip is about 15% of the price of your service. So our formula is going to be price multiplied by 0.15. Okay, so let's build this using our expression builder. So I know that I want a field which is my price field. So if you click on services by location, you will know that these are the fields I can use, and within these I find price. So I am going to double click it and it gets added over here. You see it's written in the square brackets, which helps identify that this is a field that we are using in the expression. Now the next is the operator, which is multiply sign, which is the asterisk or star symbol, which you will call. So you can either type it, I prefer typing it because it's easier, type it, or you could go to operators and in arithmetic, because we are doing mathematical calculation, you see this and double click it. It will get added here. And I know that the next part is multiplying it by 0.15, which is my 15%. This is how my formula looks. So this formula is also called an expression. And this is all we need for the suggested tip. Now click OK. Now you see you have a name that appears automatically. So EXPR1 is actually the name of this expression that we created. This is automatically suggested by Axis. You can change it. Keep in mind that you have a colon which is followed by the name of the expression, and you do not want to tamper with it. So do not delete or change anything after the expression name. So you need the colon and your expression. Now let's rename this to something which makes sense. So I am going to say suggested tip as the name of my expression. And now let's try to run this and see what the results are. Awesome. So do you see that this column got added, and the name of the expression is actually now the name of the column. And then the price is 90, and 90 multiplied by 0.15 is 13.5. So your suggested tip is $13.5. So you can see that the number is different according to the number in the price column, right? So 95 multiplied by 0.15 gives you 14.25, and so on. You can experiment this with other fields and try to use different operators. Get a hang of how to build the expression with the expression builder. I hope this video helps you better understand calculator fields. Keep practicing and you can do this. Bye for now, and I will see you in another tutorial.